Hello, in previous video I have talked about upholstery, window and wall covering and soft floor covering. In this video I am going to talk about manufactured products for interior other than which have been discussed. We often hear term linen. This term is often used for bedding products, towels, tablecloths, napkins, and other product of this type. This linen, which refers flax fiber, was specifically used for hospitality industry. That's why the term linen is mostly used for all these items. In this video, I am going to talk about towels, bath mats, bath rugs, shower curtain. Towels generally are of two types: terry cloths, which are having non-cut loops, complete loops they are having, and velour, which consist of cut loops. Now, velour towels are not as absorbent as uncut pile towels, but are often chosen for aesthetic purpose. There are another kind of towels which rarely used, and these are of flat or non-terry towels, and sometimes the term crash and huck are used, which is sort of popular names for flat no or non-terry towels. Now there are different kind of towels which are available in different sizes. These are bath towels, hand towels, kitchen towels, beach towels, and sometime the towel kind of uh, loop structure terry clothes are available, which are used as washcloths and bath sheets. The material used for towel is mostly 100% cotton because it is very comfortable when it come in contact with the skin, and also because of its absorbency it is popularly used. However, to increase the durability, the ground weave in the towel used may be of blend of polyester and cotton. However, in the market, towels are available which are made from the polyester, but those are lacking the necessary quality parameters with the absorbency, which is very less. However, they are very durable and retain the color fastness, but they are not fit for to be used for towel purpose. Now there are various kind of quality factors which must be considered for a towel, that is pile density. Now if the pile density is more, means the more compact the structure would be there, which will help in improving the wear resistance. Height of the pile is another parameter. Higher the pile means more absorbent is the towel. Yarn strength, which help in increasing the durability. In yarn twist, if the twist is more, durability would be more, but at the cost of less water absorptions and softness. So it must be optimum so that it can fulfill the purpose of towel. Now, salvage must be taken care of while uh, producing towel. It should be firm and even. Hems also to be looked after. If turned under, they should be seen with short and regular stitches. Beach towels usually do not last as long as bathroom towel because of the greater exposure to sunlight, chlorine, specifically when you're going for swimming, water, which may decrease the color fastness, specifically for cotton towels, sand, and dirt particles, which are mostly on the beach. So, all these factors, in fact, reduce the life of the towel, beach towels. Another category in manufactured product is bath rugs and mats. See, bath rugs and mats both are used in bathrooms, but the bath mats are similar to rugs. Uh, Both are smaller, but bath mats are smaller than bath rugs, and the purpose of bath rug is specifically decorative. Of course, these are soft floor covering and light in weight so that it can be conveniently lifted and laundered. These bath mats are kept in front of tub, bathtub, or shower and to act as slip resistant and also provide absorbent surface whenever somebody comes out of taking after taking bath. So standing on bath mats, this will provide absorbency. Bath mats are functional and more absorbent, while bath rugs are decorative and not to be meant for absorbency. However, bath rug and mat both should meet flammability regulation as far as the developed country are concerned. If you are planning to export it, they must meet this flammability regulation. Now, if we talk about bath rugs, they are usually of tufted or pile knit construction. The tufted fabric pile yarn in bath rug are much less dense than in carpet. As compared to carpet, the pile density is less in bath rug but are of much longer length. It may go from half inch to 3 inch, and since bath rugs are small, so they are usually cut from larger fabric roll goods or rug rolls good and then finished by hemming or with a separate fabric binding. These bath products are finished with a slip resistant backing so as to avoid any accident, and it also stabilizes the fabric structure. The backing finish which is usually applied is of latex compound that is you applied by means of brushing or sprayed directly on the fabric back. Now bath mat, they are usually made from uncut warp pile weave, and the size is generally of 16 to 28 inches, and these include various designs includes jacquards, floral, and other design. Of course, because of observancy, 100% cotton products are desirable. Now, shower curtain are another kind of category which are used for interior. These are prominently made from plastic sheets or also from textile, which is usually woven. Any fiber can be used for shower curtain. Any yarn and fabric construction can also be used, except that it should not be of stiff construction because they must be flexible, not rigid. So this point must be considered for shower curtain. The inner side of the fabric means which is to be used for the shower curtain side, it must be coated to protect it from water and soap residue. So that's why basic plastic films are used. This plastic film sheeting are of different thickness, I mean different gauge, level of transparency, color, and they are also of different style made from the printing. However, for textile, if you are using a shower curtain, the secondary unattached, just hold on. Secondary unattached lining of plastic or water repellent fabric can be used to protect decorative fabric or those that have not been water repellent treated. It means in case you are using any textile which is not water repellent, extra lining which is water repellent can also be used. However, the mostly commercial shower curtain which are made from ready-made fabric are of water repellent finishes. That's it for today. Thank you.